Today, I'd like to do a short demo on how to move files into folders to help you be more organized and to make it easier to find your files when you're looking for something. So the best place to start, I think, is going to the File Explorer icon here at the bottom of your screen on the Windows taskbar. So it looks like a manila file folder. I'm going to double click to open that window. Now, the left-hand panel is really all navigation. This is everything that's on my computer. So there's my documents, there's my Dropbox that I have. You may not be using Dropbox. There's my hard drive C, there's the tie to my network, to my printers. So everything that's in my system is here on the left-hand panel. Now, what's on the right-hand panel are the details. So if I click on the Documents folder, the right-hand side now is going to show me everything that's included in Documents, both folders and individual files. Or if I go to the Teams folder and double-click, it will show me all the folders and the files in that folder. Notice to the left of the Team folder, there is an expansion arrow. Now, if I click on that expansion arrow, it just expands here on the left-hand navigation to show me all the subfolders that are inside the Teams folder. If I left-click on that expansion arrow again, it shrinks. Everything collapses. If I click on the expansion arrow next to Admin, it shows me everything that is in there. So notice the right-hand panel hasn't changed because I didn't click on the folder. I clicked on the expansion arrow. And the expansion arrow just changes what I can see on the left-hand navigation panel. All right, so I keep all my photos in a Pictures folder. If I click on the expansion arrow next to Pictures, it expands and you can see all the folders that I've got set up in Pictures. You see everything that I've got arranged in here. If I double click on the Pictures folder, it will show me all my folders, and then down at the bottom, it'll show me things that I have loose in that Pictures folder. So here's my organization for all my pictures. Now, I would start by making folders that you know you're going to have. I mean, you're probably aware you've got, a trip that you took in April or somebody's birthday in March, whatever you need. Try to look at those folders and think of what you need first, and let's just create some folders. So I'm going to left click to select the Pictures folder. I'm going to go up to the ribbon and click on New Folder. Windows just created a new folder for me, and I'm going to name it Test 1. I'm going to hit Enter to tell it that I'm done. So let's do another one. I'm going to left click on the Pictures folder. Then I'm going to click on New Folder. Windows is going to create a new folder inside Pictures for me. Now, notice that the folder name is highlighted or selected. So all I have to do is start typing, and it will let me replace new folder with a real name. Then I hit Enter, and it's done. So now I have my original folders that I've created. So create whatever you need, move them into those folders. All right, so now that I have my folders, and I can see them here on the expansion. See, there's Test 1 and Test 2 right there. So I can see them when I hit the expansion arrow. Now I'm ready to move folders or photos into those folders. So I'm going to go and double click on my camera uploads folder. So these are things that have been uploaded from my camera. I'm going to scroll back down so that on the left-hand panel, I can see my test folders. So the right-hand panel is showing me what I have in camera uploads. On the left-hand panel, I can see the navigation and see that I have my 2 test photos ready to use. So now I'm going to select one photo and I'm going to left click and drag it into my test folder. I can also click on a file name, hold down my Shift key, click on another file, and Windows will select everything between those 2 points. So let me do that again. So I'm going to select one folder, hold down my Shift key, click on another folder, and Windows will select everything between those 2 points. Now I can drag all of those into my test folder. Another option is click on the first folder, hold down the Control key. Now I can randomly pick pictures or files. Remember, the same process works with a Word document or Excel file, whatever file you want to move. So now I've selected random items. I'm going to left click and drag them into the test folder. So I'm looking at what's in my camera uploads, but I have on the left-hand navigation, I can see my folders in pictures. And when I double click on the test folder to open it up, sure enough, here on the right-hand side, there are the folders or the files that I wanted moved into that folder. So you can just keep moving from camera uploads or wherever you have the pictures into the folders that you want to organize them in. And then when you're all done, click on the X in the top right corner to close File Explorer, and you are finished.